I want to give you guys an update on the engine and the progress that I've been making over the last day. We've taken off the coil pack on the driver's side, so you can take a look at that, guys. It's actually, surprisingly, it's very simple to get off. There's 5 10-millimeter bolts, and the whole piece comes off. You got to take the wires off, so we popped those off. I have determined that the engine has been rebuilt. Understand that when an engine is rebuilt, what they do is they only send part of the block, and then parts from the block that failed, they'll reuse. Like, they've reused the valve covers, they reused the gasket up here. Now this is the new gasket, I'll get to that. They reuse the NOx sensors. A lot of this stuff they just drag over, like fuel pump, or excuse me, power steering pump, alternator. So this piece comes in when you're studying engines and you're learning about them. I'll pass some of that information on to you guys. You get like the core block, and then what they do is they take all the stuff off the engine that failed, and they put all of it back on the new block. So that's what you're seeing here today. That's why some of this looks really clean and some of it looks like really old. So that cover we're going to be replacing. We're going to be taking that off next. I've got the updated part in my kitchen. I am going to drill holes in that. There's some really good videos online, and that's going to increase the oil flow. This new gasket, the old one was some green junky one. This is the Felpro gasket. All right, it is an absolute beast. I've got it in my 05 H2. What an upgrade. Increased horsepower. It's just fantastic. Some of you guys might be noticing these yellow bolts. They mark them off when they're completed, rebuilding the engine. Yellow, these bolts are torque. These are going to be torque to yield bolts. What that means is it's one and done. Once these are installed, if they were to be taken out, they cannot be used again. If you want to use really high quality bolts, it's going to be ARP bolts. I've decided to leave the oil pressure sensor alone. It's working. The valley cover. Now, I wanted to clean underneath this. Typically, what I would do is I would pressure wash the bottom of this plate and get that old cruddy oil off. And I recommend, if you guys can, do that. For me, it's a missed opportunity. In my mind, is it the biggest deal in the world? No, but again, I'm just shooting for perfection here. Make sure that you put those, there's little cups down here that pop up. You want like the lines looking at you. So if you were to look down this hole, you'd see like lines all the way around. So make sure you do those correctly. The torque specs on these are 15 foot-pounds. The back one torqued really easy. What can happen is that you're tightening them and it just keeps going and this thread is spinning. Like, that's what happened in this one. So I just stopped it. Realistically, that's probably torqued to like 20 plus pounds or something now, or 18, which is, it's not the biggest deal in the world. It shouldn't cause any issues. And again, if the NOx sensors are working, maybe they're rusted. Maybe they're super rusted out. If that's the case, that's okay. The ones in my 05 are super rusted out. They look like they came off a T34. They work. I've got them in the holes. And these things can cause massive issues with your engine, loss of performance. Check engine lights. They can throw codes all over your vehicle and other parts of your vehicle because of these. So I can't stress that enough, that if they're working, keep them on there. We got the gasket. Talked about drilling holes. Looking around, you can see some quality of life updates I've seen. I don't have this in my 06, so that's something I noticed, which was, pretty cool. A little bit of rust down there. That's pretty normal on that part of the vehicle. This is something different on the 06. Just a nice little quality of life upgrade. Something to keep in mind, that when you guys are in your engine and you're going through this project yourself, you do want to be vigilant of leftover rags, not from you, but from potentially someone else working on the vehicle. When I was working on my 05, I found rags like stuffed in here. So it's really easy to lose rags and parts in here.